2025 Lamborghini Urus SE plug-in hybrid. If you're ready to meet the heat of the speed, then here we are welcoming you at Exotic Cars, where we talk disruptive velocities, wilding accelerations, sheer power with fingertip controls, and cozy interiors. Take deep breath, grab your seatbelt. Let's ride along. Lamborghini embarks on a new era with the unveiling of the Urus SE, a revolutionary plug-in hybrid version of its esteemed super SUV at the Volkswagen Group Media Night, ahead of its public debut at the 2024 Auto China Beijing. This groundbreaking plug-in hybrid electric vehicle boasts a refreshed design, enhanced aerodynamics, cutting-edge onboard technology, and an extraordinary 800 CV hybrid powertrain. Building on the success of the Urus S, the SE elevates the driving experience, offering unparalleled comfort, performance, efficiency, and reduced emissions. With its dual power sources, thermal and electric, the Urus SE achieves unprecedented torque and power outputs, solidifying its position as a leader in its class, while boasting an impressive 80% reduction in emissions. And probably that's the reason Urus SE is quite confident to answer the question, how does it feel to drive? Let's hear the answer. Lamborghini Urus SE offers an unbeatable driving experience thanks to its advanced plug-in hybrid system. This innovative technology enhances the vehicle's performance and handling on any road and in any conditions, providing more power and torque at any speed. The Urus SE features cutting-edge systems like electric torque vectoring and an electronic rear differential, making it a thrill to drive, commented Chief Technical Officer Dr. Ing Reuven Moore. The Urus SE is positioned at the top of its class in terms of being fun to drive and for its driving dynamics. It's a vehicle that harmoniously combines different qualities, absolute comfort, and at the same time performance and fun to drive, ensuring an experience like no other. Talking of performance and power, let's compare it with 2024 Lamborghini Urus S. Lamborghini Urus S versus Lamborghini Urus SE. The Urus SE stands out in its class, delivering unparalleled torque and power across all driving conditions. With a total output of 800 CV, 588 kilowatts, at 6,000 revolutions per minute, and 950 nanometers of torque available between 1,750 to 5,750 revolutions per minute, it boasts exceptional performance from every angle. Its enhanced weight-to-power ratio of 3.13 kg/CV, compared to 3.3 in the Urus S, further solidifies its position. The Urus SE accelerates from 0 to 100 km per h in just 3.4 seconds, 0.1 seconds faster than the Urus S, and reaches 200 km per h in 11.2 seconds, 1.3 seconds quicker than the Urus S, with a top speed of 312 km per h, 7 km per h faster than the Urus S. These impressive figures make the Urus SE the most powerful and fastest production car in its segment, setting a new standard for super SUVs. The interior options include a diverse array of 47 color combinations and 4 types of embroidery, cucitura stitching, with further personalization possibilities offered through the Ad Personam program, allowing owners to create a truly unique Urus SE. Despite being a practical car like its predecessor, it's not losing its Lamborghini's DNA that revolves around 2 words: power and speed. Powertrain/performance. Here, let's get a bit technical and talk about twin-turbo V8 engine, electric vehicle mood, and electronic torque vectoring system. The powerful V8 engine has been re-engineered to work perfectly with the electric powertrain. It produces 620 horsepower, 456 kilowatts, and 800 nanometers of torque. The electric powertrain adds an extra 192 horsepower, 141 kilowatts, and 483 nanometers of torque. The combination of the two provides a total insane output of 800 horsepower, giving a message of no compromise and at the same time ensuring a smooth and powerful drive-in even in off-roading. A 25.9 kWh lithium-ion battery is located beneath the load floor, and an electric motor is integrated into the 8-speed automatic transmission. This motor can boost the V8 engine or provide traction, making the Urus SE a 100% electric 4WD vehicle with an electric range of over 60 kilometers. Then there comes the question of spreading this power to all the 4 wheels. And the answer is asterisk, electric torque vectoring system, asterisk. The Urus SE takes a bold leap forward with the introduction of its first time ever centrally located longitudinal electric torque vectoring system. This innovative technology harnesses the power of an electro-hydraulic multi-plate clutch to dynamically distribute driving torque between the front and rear axles, ensuring a seamless and continuous transfer of power. In perfect harmony, the transfer case works in tandem with the new electronic limited slip differential on the rear axle, delivering on-demand oversteering that evokes the exhilarating sensation of driving a high-performance super sports car. This advanced system ensures unparalleled agility, precision, and control that is surely one of my personal favorite things about this car. Though in the context of design, Lamborghini Urus SE has not been deviating extravagantly from its lineage of Lamborghini Urus S 2023, but they surely have revamped the details to give it fresh. Asterisk, design, and aerodynamics. Asterisk. In the front view, the new design makes the car look sporty and muscular. The front hood has a sleek floating design that gives it a continuous look. The headlights have a brand new light signature inspired by the Lamborghini Bull's tail. The bumper and front grille have also been redesigned. The Urus SE has a unique and recognizable Lamborghini design, said Mitja Borkert, Lamborghini design director. It's a sophisticated evolution that combines luxury and personalization. We took inspiration from the Revuelto to create a clean and muscular front design. The rear cargo compartment has been redesigned to connect the taillight clusters and new rear diffuser, giving the car a sportier look. The new spoiler and diffuser increase rear downforce by 35% at high speeds, making the car more stable. The color palette has also been expanded, with over 100 bodywork options now available, including 2 new colors launched at introduction in orange paired with an interior in orange and white with an interior in terracotta. New underbody air vents and revamped air ducts improve aerodynamic efficiency by channeling more airflow to cool the engine and mechanical components. This results in a 15% increase in airflow over the original Urus. The new design also improves airflow management for the braking system with a 30% improvement in air cooling. The best thing we have noted is the redesign of exterior, and vents haven't reduced the spacious interior of this car. That surely adds to its practicality. Interior. The cabin has been updated to highlight Lamborghini's signature "feel like a pilot" design DNA, featuring new solutions throughout the front section of the dashboard and accentuating the lightweight feeling already introduced on the Revuelto. A larger screen, now 12.3 inches, installed in the center of the dashboard features a new version of the Human-Machine Interface, HMI, that is even more intuitive to use with updated graphics consistent with that of the Revuelto. The Lamborghini Centro style designers also directed their design focus on the air vents, the anodized aluminum trim elements with the unmistakable Y shape, and the new panel, seat, and dashboard coverings. The mechanical push-button panel gives a more tactile feel. The driver can make use of the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and the aforementioned 12.3-inch touchscreen display, integrated into the center of the dashboard in the heart of the Lamborghini Infotainment System, LIS. It also includes a dedicated telemetry system for the SE and new displays related to the driving assistance system that allow for better perception of the surrounding environment. Customization of tires. The Lamborghini Urus SE boasts an unparalleled range of customization options in its class. The alloy wheels have been updated with the introduction of 23 inches Galanthus rims, which come standard with new Pirelli P0 tires. 3 dedicated P0 options are available, ranging from 21 inches to 23E, to cater to customers' varying preferences for comfort and sportiness. Additionally, Scorpion Winter 2 tires are available for the cold season. All of these products feature Pirelli Elect technology, designed to enhance the characteristics of the first electrified Urus, customizing your driving experience. The Tamburo selector unit in the center console allows you to choose from various driving modes. With the introduction of the hybrid powertrain, the Urus now offers 11 driving options, combining 6 traditional modes: Strada, Sport, Corsa, Neve, Sabia, and Terra, with 4 new electric performance strategies: EPS, EV Drive, Hybrid, Performance, and Recharge. According to Stefano Cosalter, product line director for Lanzador and Urus, the Urus SE represents a significant evolution in sustainability, performance, and sportiness, thanks to cutting-edge technical solutions like the hybrid powertrain. This super SUV has two hearts, a thermal one rooted in our heritage and an electric one that looks to the future. Working together, they create a new interpretation of the unmistakable Lamborghini personality, taken to new heights. The EV drive mode allows you to experience the electric potential of the Urus SE to its fullest. Specifically designed and calibrated for urban driving, it offers over 60 kilometers of electric range and a maximum speed of over 130 kilometers per h. If you exceed this speed or require more torque than the electric motor can provide, the V8 engine automatically kicks in to support the electric motor. That's it for this very important car of McLaren's 2025 lineup. See you in this next video with another car of Lamborghini's 2025 lineup. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos.